Okay, now before we actually get started, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, I want you to actually subscribe before we go. Now let's see our Euro USD starting with our daily time frame. We are actually on our daily time frame. We are ranging within this area, key level area here. We can see that our price has actually been ranging within this our resistance and our support. Now when I'm doing this analysis is on the 4th, but we want to analyze where our price will be moving on the 5th of August. Now let's start with our 4-hour time frame. As we've seen our daily time frame, our daily time frame is actually ranging. Now on our 4-hour, we are actually ranging. What are we waiting for? We are expecting a drop anytime soon. Our Euro USD, at least we have a little bit pips to go bullish. I think we have about 30 to 40 pips more for our Euro to our USD to go bullish before we'll be expecting a drop again, right? Since we are ranging within this our area, we would want to also range within it. We don't want to trade what we think, but what we are seeing is what we want to trade with. And what we are currently seeing is that our price is about to hit this our resistance level, which is about 20 to 30 to 35 pips more for it to hit this our level before we actually get a drop. We might not even go as high as 30 pips. We might just move about 15 or 20 pips before we see a drop on our Euro USD. We also did an analysis for August 3, which means we'll be going bullish, and we were actually correct on that our analysis. So now we can see on our 4-hour time frame, we will be expecting a drop anytime soon. One of the reasons why we'll be expecting a drop anytime soon is that if we are to see our dollar index, right, our dollar index has actually was actually pushing up. We actually had a drop. We also push up again. We had a drop. This area serving as our resistance level, right? But when our price broke above it, we saw that our price came here to retest this area, which means this is also a key level when our price has actually where it is also a key level we should be watching out for. And now we can see that our price has now dropped. It has actually eaten another key level here, which is now our support area. Our dollar index has actually dropped to this our support area, and it is now giving us a bullish move up to this our key level area we are expecting, right? We are expecting our USD index to actually hit this our key level area here before we might consider shortening it or going long. But what we see here is that the index has gone bullish, right? It has gone up, and we've actually had a pullback again. What are you expecting after a pullback? A bullish move. That is exactly what we are expecting. Now that our index has gone bullish, it has given us a pullback on this area. We are expecting a bullish move, which means once we start having this bullish move on our USD index, then we will be seeing a drop on our Euro to our USD. We are expecting a drop against on our Euro against our dollar USD. So once we start having this drop, by the way, our index will start giving us this bullish move, which means our analysis, we will be able to confirm our analysis on the index, USD index. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. We can see let's see it this way. We can see that this is actually a legitimate higher trend, uptrend move. We can see the higher highs here. We can see the higher lows, our pullback, our impulse move up here, right? We can see a pullback here. This is also an impulse move we will target. Why? Because this highs was higher than our previous highs, but we actually added this huge drop here. So I will be expecting a bullish move from this drop here upward. Exactly what I'll be expecting. Our USD index should actually push up from here. So once we start having that push up, then our Euro to our USD will actually drop for the day.